Dude, that thing it sounds beastly. Wow. Love it, man. Alright, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Flying right here. We're going to meet up with the one and only Mr. CYCLEFANATIX. He was nice enough to come down and go for a ride around my area here. Check out all these nice backcountry roads. So we're going to head out and meet at a local point here. Check out the bikes, and go for a nice ride. So enjoy. Beautiful morning. It's about 58 degrees. It's going to go up to about 73 today, so great day for riding. I'm going to gas up. I've got 3/4 of a tank, but I'm gonna gas it up. All right, I'm fully gassed up. Mr. Fanatics is here. What's going on? How you doing, man?
How you been?
Doing awesome. It's great to see you, man. It's great to finally meet you.
How you doing?
I'm doing awesome.
What a beautiful bike.
Thank you, man. Man, you're so right. You can't appreciate that on the videos, man. Man, that is beautiful.
Oh, wow, this is really nice.
Thank you, man.
What's the name of this color?
It's sand dune.
That looks so sharp against the black.
Thanks, man.
And what year is this?
2020.
2020?
Yeah. All right, everybody. So you got CYCLEFANATIX doing his thing. We're getting together. We're going to go for a quick ride. So enjoy the ride. That's loud, man. Finally got a chance to meet Mr. CYCLEFANATIX. If you're not following his channel, do me a favor, go over there and hit that subscribe button. Awesome guy, awesome content. Just all around great dude, man. Nice.
Beautiful day.
Perfect out, man.
Yeah, perfect temperature.
Dude, that thing it sounds beastly. Wow. Love it, man. Beautiful day out. Of course, we got to have a truck in front of us.
This is a beautiful area.
Colts Neck. There he is, Mr. CYCLEFANATIX. Thanks for coming down, man. Thanks for hanging out.
Absolutely.
Appreciate you.
Brother.
We're gonna head over to Atlantic Highlands, go for a nice ride, launch the drones. This bike, in person, I'm telling you, the videos don't do it justice.
Thanks, brother.
It's freaking awesome.
I appreciate it, man.
Thanks for coming out, man.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
You got it. You got it. All right, let's roll. We have to stop by the house and get some batteries. Now we're headed over to Atlantic Highlands. We got a detour. We're gonna go up there, go around. We're gonna be on Navesink River Road, and apparently this is where the governor lives. I don't know exactly where he lives, but he lives off of this road somewhere that we're gonna be going up to. So this is Atlantic Highlands, place there at the end called On the Deck, which is pretty cool. Overlooks the water, some good food, some good seafood, drinks. It's a nice little town to come hang out in. I'm in front of John and I can hear his bike roaring from up from back there. You got the city right over there. On the Deck, restaurant, harbor view and bar. Mr. CYCLEFANATIX. On the Deck, restaurant, harbor view and bar. All right, we got some drone footage. We're gonna go check out the Mount Mitchell Scenic Point Outlook. Get some more drone footage. Hanging with CYCLEFANATIX. Nice twisties. Look at those views out there. That's Sandy Hook right down there. Oh yeah, reserve parking only.
Okay.
There he is, everybody, CYCLEFANATIX. Thanks so much for coming down. Appreciate you. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And also remember to subscribe. And remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future updates. Thanks for watching.